Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use cross-margin in KuCoin. First, navigate to the KuCoin trading interface and select the Margin tab. You'll see options for both cross and isolated margin. Cross-margin uses your entire margin account balance as collateral for all open positions, which can help prevent liquidation by spreading risk. This method is often preferred for experienced traders managing multiple positions. Before you can trade, you need to fund your margin account. Go to your main account and select Transfer. Choose to move assets from your main account to your margin account. You'll need a suitable collateral asset like USD or BTC. Make sure you transfer enough to cover your desired position size and potential fees. Always double-check the transfer details before confirming. Now let's place an order. On the trading interface, ensure cross-margin is selected. Choose your trading pair like BTC/USD. You can then select your desired leverage, perhaps 5x or 10x, depending on your strategy. Enter your order price and the amount you wish to trade. Review all the details carefully, including the estimated liquidation price, before confirming your buy or sell order. Managing risk is crucial with cross-margin. Always keep an eye on your margin ratio. If it drops too low, you risk liquidation. Consider setting stop-loss orders to automatically close positions if the market moves against you, protecting your capital. Remember, higher leverage means higher risk. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Stay safe and trade smart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.